Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today is watch unboxing. When I was researching the Traska commuter that I purchased a little while ago, I saw that they had a new version of the Traska Summiteer, and of course they were out of stock. Maybe I already knew there was a new version. I don't remember. But anyway, I saw that and I knew I wanted to get one, so did some searching every once in a while on Watch Recon for a used one, and this one popped up, so I bought this used, the Traska Summiteer version 2. So yeah, I have the version 1, but looking at the specs of the version 2, I think I really like this one better. I like the crystal, I like the new case shape. Also, the loom has been improved as well. So let's get this thing out of here. There we go. This is the charcoal black version. They have, I think it's called Midnight Blue, Forest Green, and then charcoal black. So yeah, let's check this out. I really like this size of this watch. But when I saw, like I said, the new specs, I wanted to get one. So I'm pretty sure I'll be selling the commuter. I really like that watch. It's just a tad bit too small for me, and this one is about, I think it's 2.5 millimeter larger diameter. So I prefer the size of this, but I like the dial on the commuter. I like this dial too. Miyota 9015, I think. Oh, this one doesn't have. Why do they do that? This one does not have a display case back. I'm pretty sure my version 1 does. Man, I really like seeing the movement in here. Maybe they did that to thin it up or quiet it down. The 9015 is 9,000. Well, actually, the 8,000 Miyotas and the 9,000s are a little loud. I guess it doesn't say on here what movement's in here, but we'll go into all that in the full presentation video. Should just be a quick unboxing here. Yeah, the case shape is a little more rounded. The version 1 just has a real straight slab side to it. So this one's a little more rounded, which I appreciate. Looks more like the commuter. The bezel does overhang the case a little bit. But also you can notice the domed sapphire crystal here, the box domed sapphire crystal. Looks like it does have a slight dome to it as well. So yeah, very nice. I'm a little disappointed that it doesn't have a display case back. All right, let's get this on wrist, and then we can close out the video. Also drilled lugs to ease the change of the bracelet onto a strap if you so want, but it's a pretty comfortable bracelet. Also female end links, which I really do appreciate. So it articulates right away and works for a smaller wrist like mine. I'll take a few links out of this. So there we go. Yeah, looking forward to spending some time with this. This could very well be a keeper. It kind of has the Rolex Explorer look, but in a size that I like a little better. The new Explorer it's going to be too small at 35.3 millimeter diameter, and then short lugs, and then it has 19 millimeter lug width. But anyway, that's a whole different watch, and we're here to talk about this one. All right, well, let me know you guys' thoughts on this watch. I do like the watch. There's some things I don't like, but I think overall I do like it. They are kind of expensive, new, $550. So one benefit of buying it used is I didn't pay full price for it. And, with these Traskas, they have this scratch-proof coating, so really they should look just like new. With sapphire crystal as well, that's not really going to scratch. So, yeah, very nicely done. I know some folks don't like the coloration of this watch. If you compare it to a non-coated stainless steel watch. Yeah, this is my... Oh man, I wear this thing a lot. You can see a lot of scuffs on here. So if this had a scratch-proof coating, you wouldn't have that. But anyway, since we're here, quick size comparison. All right, I think that will conclude the video. As always, thank you for the time. Thank you for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. It means a lot to me, and I would greatly appreciate it. Talk to you soon.